So let's take a look at how you can install MongoDB in Windows 10. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do is checking the mongodb.com website. Now here you have option for products and then MongoDB server. Click on that and it should take you to this download MongoDB option. Click on that and it will take you to server download option, where you also have option to download community server. Select that and then choose your operating system. In our case it's Windows 10, which is 64-bit. Click on download. Okay, that should download the installer for Windows 10. Okay, so this looks something like this. Double click on it and here we will go through the wizard to see how it can be installed on our Windows 10. Okay, so click on next, click on I accept. You can go through all this, but considering this is community open source edition, I will just click on next. Okay, now between complete and custom, choose the one which suits your case. In my case I'm going custom. Now it should show you this entire server package will be installed on the location C program files. Now I want to change this. Okay, so I'm going to make it D. Okay, and click on OK. So if there is no such drive, you can simply go ahead with the one that exists. Click on OK. Now click next. You can install MongoDB as service, okay, or you can use as a domain user. So I'm going to choose this as service, so it will always run in the background and it will be known as MongoDB. Okay, it will also have a data folder and log directory in this location. So you can click on next. Can choose to install Compass if you want. So basically the Compass is something that you use with your cloud account for MongoDB. You can uncheck that, click next, then click on install. It will take few minutes and your installation will be ready. Okay, now you can click on finish. Now it will ask you to restart. Click no if you want to manually restart later. Now to execute your server, you go to command prompt. Okay, and then you can either set up your path for, let's say, program files, MongoDB server 4.2, then bin. This should be in your path. Once that comes into path, then you can simply type in MongoDB. So that service once started, you can easily use your service in the background. Okay, and then when you want to make use of database, simply type in Mongo and that should start the shell. Okay, so this was the installation part of MongoDB in Windows 8.